Shubor nakaslem jong Nongmensong Hima.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah kasorkar jila uba senyap halang dhar hakasngit ho diang ulapli pat ba yaga ying school jong ka Saint Jerome Higher Secondary School Nongmensong. Long balas dang bantay yaga dega ying school na usnam ajar pula yaga bala yu Jingïarap pisa naga Chief Minister Special Development Fund kat sanak tingka ringkat ka jingkershan UMLA ka penthor umkra constituency kumju ka MLA ka lai umkra constituency. Hakadiga sngiple yakadiga jingtay kabadai kabenta beningkong nalor Symbud Myntri lawan badan shimbentalang uba ALHEC MLA penthor umkra ka Dr. Mazel Amberin Lingdo MLA la umkra Umos Reverend Victor Lingdo Didi u Archbishop Kashulong Archdiocese u Reverend Father Pascal Lingdo u Reverend Father Patrick Khongber u Rangbah Shnong ka Nongmensong uba Prang Warjri ka kong T.10 Majau MDC la umkra Malki kino hikai bagi kena school jong ka Saint Jerome uba asnya bha hab ajingkran kumukong san uloong bakum ka sarkar ka bu hakmat e ban pin bha ka puli puthi hendai hakini ki jingai persang ka jui kendo ki jing e kam tam hagi than nong kendong ula ai ka jingaro ai ka Saint Jerome Higher Secondary School ka bala ajing shakri ki khon samla ka than hakbe de ka puli puthi kumju hakba pin kala dor ka imlang ka salang uba asnya bha ula pin bana ban Jingïarap shpolak tingka shaka Saint Jerome nakbenta bante sakbenta ka baar jong ka te ka ying school.
Not only the formal inauguration of our new school building, but also a milestone in the journey of Saint Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong.
Madam.
Your Grace, no. Mother Pastor.
Madam. Your Grace,
A huge round of applause for this beautiful moment of the unveiling of the plaque. A plaque may bear only a few.
I will read what is written here. Saint Jerome's Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong, Shillong 19, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. School building inaugurated by Shri Snyao Bahalang Dhar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, on 14 August 2026, in the presence of Shri ALHEC, Honorable MLA, Penthor constituency, Shrimati M. Amperin Lingdo, Honorable MLA, Lai constituency, blessed by Most Reverend Victor Lingdo Didi, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, in the presence of Reverend Father Pascal Lingdo and Reverend Father Patrick Khongber. Let's give a big clap once again.
We have a lot of inspirations in your life, but through all these challenges, the hard work, your parents, they ensure that you reach to the school. Everybody to have a good education, and also every parents, they have the dreams to all our children. One day when they are growing up, they are also placed in, they are also placed in the, they'll get a better place in the society. Everybody, all the parents are also dreaming to have a better place in society. So like the thank also the Rangbah here, Frank, who always dare to, for anything which we like to do, for any kind of work, whether it is for school, whether it is for the locality, whether it is for anything, he always dare to contribute directly or indirectly for the benefits of the Nongmensong, and also for all the establishment which is here in the Nongmensong. So I'll not take much of your time because the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister here. Thank you so much for your presence here today. And I have also Dr. Amberin Lingdo. I've been there all the time. Whether it is a small program or it's a big program, always is available for the Saint Jerome School and also for the people of Uttarukra. We'd like to thank you also. So we have also Kong Deity, the honor.
I can see that there are still other levels of the institution which require our attention. On behalf of the people of 60 East Shillong constituency, sir, as promised, I will be giving you another 3 lakhs to complete whatever you can from the funds, the development funds of our constituency. Dear teachers, such a pride to see how you have hand-held each and every student that comes under your care. An institution becomes famous by the commitment of its staff and faculty. And I can see that the poorest of the poor have been given this opportunity to acquire knowledge and to receive a degree. I remember all teachers past who have been here, all the members of the managing committee of the past as well and the present. Thank you so much for what you do to ensure that each child living within this population of Demsinyong from 16 East Shillong onwards to the entire of Bunthor constituency, how they are given this opportunity to benefit from this education. Education is not merely a right. It is a commitment of the MDA government in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and supported unconditionally by both our Deputy Chief Ministers, particularly Bas Nongmensong. Sir, these communities are privileged to have you as a citizen of Nongmensong. And you must, sir, give them a special share of your love. Because I think, sir, this institution still has two more floors. We still have to ensure that the power line that passes through the institution finally get removed in the safety of the students and the teachers who spend so many hours of their day in this vicinity.
Schools, the college, in the whole education system. Sometimes when we have a number of students, we are having less number of classrooms. And sometimes when we have number of classroom, number of students, we are having less number of teachers. This is a normal problem. And also I will thank the contractors and the architects. I heard from the announcement you are really tremendous in your own way because of you. And the school went in the right time and right timings. Because we know the problem, because sometimes schools are very, very complicated, especially in the rural area. This is not a rural area. Sometimes just Bishop whispered me before I speak. He told me months now, this school is really meant for the poor people. And I know that. And I know, parish school, father school is always. And also I would like to recall back when I was small as a student in the year of 1993. When I came to Nongmensong, especially during evening time, I always afraid. So many people are around the road who are drunks and this and that, speak all those wrong words and make the society insecure. And let me reflect, let me tell this. With the coming of this parish, this place is really blessed. This place is really blessed. In terms of safety, in terms of discipline, in terms of organized, it really helped us. Because I stay here from the year 2015. Unfortunately, I met all the headmen who are before, whether the SQ member, they are really productive and helpful. And that is one of the reasons the village grew very fastly. Yes, we are living so many tribes here, maybe Bengali are there, Khasi are there, Banar are there, so many are there, but the best part that in terms of social work, we are one. That is the beauty. And because of what? Because of the management committee of the Darbar School. It set a good example to all of us. And sometimes I used to call them personally, they never meet me. And I would like to inform the Darbar School, even this last 2-3 days, I already made up our me and Honorable Emily. We will meet the Chief Minister also in related with the water supply scheme. They meet me I told them, so let's request the local assembly, and we have decided maybe next week itself, because during session time we are all in the station. So me and Sarhek will meet the chief minister. We will try to push the water supply scheme of Nongmensong. I know my people are suffering, but sometimes the executive member, they never meet me. Sometimes I used to call them, but I'm lucky in that part. So please disturb him because he's the owner of this area. So thank you so much. I know about the construction of the buildings because they already mentioned that CM has already support some amount, and I know without the help of the local MLA, I think all these things would not happen. Thank you so much, ma'am. So when I look at all of you, so you are overseas, so let me share a few words in my language, so it's better. Nama aku hebat lagi belajar bangmo, klub dunia menjadi berunjungi. Kan ini kamu Ila menyerap sila karlak layak saulak handai kajindon kejongi bagi madam mamparin bagi kasnong bagi organizations committee ni SMC kajindra sutong jopi meninga runga langsung pula bang apa berkata kini kompon kau ini ngalai orang ngalai tradisional tak jukot kata-kata daudun belimbing meninga yo ala pendru handai dapat disosorong dan kom kani kepares organizations ka school Saint Jerome jogi iso tui ka school break ba su kham tam kum kani ka school ka jo bagi khot ka tin nong ka school fadar mi jo na mana ka no ka area badon bi school himla panden ka jitu step bamla subata ha constituency jungaran south ni paris hajai tiaran ka prada ni paris mara I'm very much associated with the Balangat. Aktif pun kini kecil long jong ke kini organisation, kapadon kini organisation karoi kepaling lah, kakiu step, maka disiplin gaya rap ano ini karau. Dengan suatu ini pai sekali kecilnya belai ikut school, pin face ke problem kata by experience. Barang kikimegi kebaju ni kikwa bayar ke school babah. Habiyong ke school babah mo don kamonyo ki good teachers. Habi ko ay good teachers kamon we have to pay high. But it's not easy for the parents to give such a high salary for those good teachers. Hanay nga ay perka Jingïarap gino hikay jumi kat kum kilak tresto magan ke school kan kyo ni por sa ko. Ka result ka bahanga ti barang man ko por ka school. Ni perpau pas no di so borom gino hikay ba ni nelom biyo ka pimbe ka bahaya ni kita isto mat ni patsi kani ka dai siya kata ka social work ka social activities we are collectively responsibility namar kay ka problem jogi dari ni kwa man yo highly qualified in everything you have to raise the school fees and when we raise the school fees we face allegation from different parents that is the problem. Najukan ini kita dan repeat yang today. You know what is the problem with our dearest parent? Sometimes mereka school kapag kiu kundiat baru tak ikut malu. Hanya ini pat bosin dan berburung. Nongmensong ini in general. Dari ini mereka school you are difficult to get a good assets. You are difficult to get a good work. You are difficult to get a good result. Manse kung may kuha pa niya gusto babah. We have to move it forward. We have to pay target. Dan ikaw man yung school kapag hamba, we have to risk to some extent. Pwede ka maburong na bipit ba school tayo na yung system, lagi kita mabarang. Anday magikun yung hibat kipat ng mobile, but silak siya itong gawin. I'm very sorry to say this. Don't gawin isang lang nagkagusi, nakuha man lang siya nagkagusi. Nandiyan tiya. Kababahab rin ha. Ni dari sentrang mulur ni kata. Kabahabriu pakariam lukariam bah kawan office zaman. Karena merupakan pendrok ya. They live like anything. Kau dah sah semua aku ay kedua pi ngawan Jingïarap. Namar ngati video berubah sebun bagau. Tak kalah rak ngadu belakang sini. Tengah pekret apa tim ke ngan yok mentar kan kesamla. Kau dasar I know you are very kind. Ngati perlu paham hang ala tim lu nak berapa persen perlu pas unta bagi yang ta. Am keren ikat kam ini. Barka bahablu, barka riam dengan jin, barka koks barka mau. Kau sarna wan sipingat wa barpanya ram kabai college. Nang yo sumala sa ape yo ape sa. Tengah apa ku menong yalam malor ni ku nu kena panyaram haba kariam tito. Kariam galang kali ku ngkon dus pa. Ang kanodon kang rong kasa aja. Ngapai sekading gabar ke phone bersilat praku aja. Tengah no, sorry namira pipi. Lu tak kat sawajar yo ibadah ke phone bersilat praku aja. Kini baru we have to aware in our society. And no one can do it. Everyone can do it. You have some responsibility, you have some claim. If it's a problem, don't say I can be let you blame your government. Don't classroom shall blame government, don't surround shall blame government, don't take the yellow samlar shall blame government. Do you eat? But I just is never done. The kidney barrow, we have to realize something. Yung day man kayo nagkakitin, ganyan kamatador, yung ilang kan. Before you speak, you have to think. You have to put a set example for your society. Dan pilih lang makrajiti kan po sa society juga. How kesorkan misalnya don bertang kami hamil, don bertang kung MLA, kung BC, kung Rangbah don bertang. Handai pa, don bertang yang suatu. Kaya kam jong ke sorkar, kaya kam jong ke society, kaya kam jong ke school. Lagi suatu tangai ketangan lap piti pulung insar kiu pai bahasa isi. Lagi kum kinong yalam, right from conditions, right to the society level. Lagi misleading the society, we are not fit to be leaders of the state. And I won't say even the intellectual people, they are common with that. They are common with that. Hal jaga pun Jingïarap pun sekautu. Hal jaga we have to share the responsibility. Hal jaga we have to share the experiences. Kaya kirang ba bilang. The mistake you make, you get experiences. But the experiences you gain, you decrease your mistake. The love of the society we come down with Anton. Don't put that on the MLA, don't put that on the BC. After all, we have to work together. Nama kanu kamu ngimla penbling uwi. Kamtam ngikum ki emeli no yalam. We are here not to teach from the past. We are always correct for the past. Either from the past. Ngimla kalau kali kam kejong kita. We are here to correct things. We are here to improve things. We are here to help each other. We are here to teach the children or the students in the right directions. Baik kesuarkan nale ayu education department. And only in the Jingïarap, he's most senior than me in politics. He is active blood. Mereka mengatakan dengan MPP dan government Jingïarap ini. Yang dia tahu dia pi. Hagini ki pras nam siteng balak lain. Empat dan sortan betre kumga MDA 1 government. Empat. Dari bikin agak surau, mendingan agak education, education sector, tourism sector, sport, every sector almost we touch maximum. Mending menang cek lagi, supaya ada orang jahat sepak. Belum tahu sekali. Kalau saya kata kalau ada persen, labun macam private di sponsor. Minggu akan live on education sector. Hari dan kita suatu buat kali kesorkan sampai dan kita hikai pa saat tas menalai kadang lain. But we are trying our best. Habang ngaong gile ikatakong government ngambut begini dulu. We are trying, whether right or wrong. At time we see. Lebih baik itu agarok sektor, kamtam atau sport sektor, lebih baik tourism sektor, power every sektor. Lagay ka daw ang arsa ka prang ng dagat kung baca. In a span of 8 years, nagal atas selai kojak dulu. Because of what? Because of the open by the government. Kung kini baro, pihak sosok ng state kejauhan. Pihak sosok namong pihak sosok. Mara we should know what is right, what is wrong. Sumit tang tim C, tang tim sawi, tang sukan belak belak sosok. No, problem is not on the road, problem is on in the assembly and in the office. There is still to say yes, there is still to say no. We just say bluntly no, we just say bluntly right, we are wrong. Nakatakan daw mo na yung mention mo yung tsaka pa doon ifather ka Paris kumi. Baru ako yung na mo na ni kata. Fact is facts. Napay tanga kondusyon na atli Paris la pagkahakpor ano mo ni. Tapos nga pa yung sila. Lain na tabi niyo Ikanak kila yung naduk ke disiplin, naduk ke burung kemei, burung keba, ke burung yang kira ba kosong. So nice, it was really wonderful. Dan ni kadai don kami pun membaca ke society. Yes, I know your problem. We know your problem. Kumpulan pengaparin ini bersang menyerapkan bala, dek manusia kepala madam menyerapkan dek kampang ni meliling ang prinsip sudah. Malah Muslim dong patah start mengajar sama si ben. Nama lah Muslim banjong undai besok.
Extension of the school building in St. Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong. Respected Sir, greetings from the management, staff and students of Jerome's Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong. We take this opportunity to put forward to you some of our concern for your kind consideration and help in reference to the subjects cited above. Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong, is one of the oldest schools in the area. As Nongmensong is fast developing locality and the school is centrally located, the school has a bright future and needs proper planning. The school has served the most underprivileged population of Meghalaya, who migrated to Shillong in the densely populated area of Nongmensong for employment for the last 40 years. For your kind information, the children of urban housing society come to Jerome's Higher Secondary School. The present old building have been constructed with meager funds from different sources and along with the contributions of the people. As planning of the school building was not done proper way, the old school structure is old, weak, and in a dilapidated condition, and safety of the school children is our biggest concern. A new school building is most needed to host the 650 students from nursery to higher secondary section. In the course of time, the management, besides its own fund, has sought help from other sources, building a new school building. Now we have completed 2 floors with 7 classrooms, including 2 staff rooms and office, with the help of the MLAs and CM scheme, which we are now functioning. Therefore, we humbly request your honor to kindly help us financially for the extension of 2nd and 3rd floor of the new school building of Jerome Higher Secondary Section. A plan and estimation for the same is attached for your reference and kind consideration. With deepest gratitude, Secretary, St. Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong, dated Nongmensong, Shillong, the 14th August 2026.